Hello everyone, Dr. Joyce here, and welcome to my formula class. Today, again, we will talk about Xiao Chai Hu Tang and Bansha Sheshen Tang and Huang Yan Tang. And those formulas are very similar in composition, but their usage is quite different. Xiao Chai Hu Tang is most commonly used for all kind of inflammation and fever. And Bansha Sheshen Tang is commonly used for functional dyspepsia. So one is for infection and one is for gastrointestinal discomfort. Quite different, isn't it? And let's see how those variations comes from Xiao Chai Hu Tang. To understand those formulas, you first review the herbs inside. We can divide these herbs into two categories. Upper part, cooling herbs, Chai Hu and Huang and Huang Chai Hu relays fever and pathogen between Ta Yang and Yang Ming, which means between exterior and interior. So a lot of research says Chai Hu actually clears the heat, the fever, lower the body temperature by inflammation. And Huang Yan and Huang Qin both has berberine. In modern TCM, we interpret these two herbs as a paired herb and clearing damp heat herbs. Low health, warming herbs with these yellow boundaries. First, Bansha, next, Renshen. Bansha remove transform phlegm, the best herb removing phlegm. And Bansha is usually combined with Senchang. Senchang is ginger. So Bansha and Senchang is kind of a duo, never separated. And another herb you need to understand is Ganchang. And Ganchang is dried ginger and Senchang is raw ginger. In TCM, we think Senchang has cooler property than Ganchang, and Ganchang has warmer property than Senchang. But both of them are warming herbs. Even though Senchang has less warming property, but these are all warming herbs. And Rensen is here, another warming herb. And Bansha and Rensen warms middle jaw and helps the function of gastrointestinal system. So these five herbs, Chai Hu, Huang Yan, Huang Qin, and Bansha and Rensen, those are the essential herbs. You need to understand all these variations. And Da Chao and Gan Chao, those herbs are included in all those formulas, Xiao Chai Hu Tang, Bansha Sheshin Tang, and Huang Yan Tang. But these herbs work like a coordinator. These herbs do not do critical role in these formulas. And let's first Xiao Chai Hu Tang. Xiao Chai Hu Tang composed of Chai Hu, Huang Qin, and Bansha, Rensen, and Senchang. So this is Xiao Chai Hu Tang with Da Chao and Gan Chao. So let's put it here. So Chai Hu, Huang Qin, Bansha, Senchang, and Rensen, Da Chao, Gan Chao. So Xiao Chai Hu Tang treat fever and heat inflammation, and also harmonize and soothe middle jaw, so gastrointestinal system, with Bansha and Rensen. So Xiao Chai Hu Tang treat the inflammatory symptoms with gastrointestinal symptoms, usually vomiting and nausea and hypochondriac pain. So this is Xiao Chai Hu Tang. And if you remove Chai Hu and if you add Huang Yan and add Ganchang, and this is called Bansha Sheshin Tang. Bansha Sheshin Tang. So instead of Chai Hu, Huang Yan is here, and Huang Yan and Huang Qin, those are paired herb. So it looks like very clearing heat formula because of Huang Yan and Huang Qin, but actually this formula warms too with Ganchang. This formula treat the functional dyspepsia, heartburn, peptic ulcer, those conditions. So Bansha and Rensen warms middle jaw with Ganchang, and Huang Yan and Huang Qin also clears chest. So this is called Bansha Sheshin Tang. And if you remove Huang Qin, clearing heat herb like Huang Qin is removed. So Ganchang is combined with Bansha, and Guichi is added. So it is more warming formula and focusing on gastrointestinal system. This formula is called Huang Yan Tang, commonly used for nausea and vomiting but it's not the formula used for inflammations. So it relieves the stagnation on the chest and middle jaw. Huang Tang. So all these formulas start from Xiao Chai Hu Tang. So if you add Huang Qin and Sen Zhang, this is Bansha Xie Tang. And if you substitute Huang Nian with Chai Hu, this is Xiao Chai Hu Tang. Ganzhang is removed and Senjiang is combined with Bansha. So these kind of formulas from Shanghanon should not be understood in terms of TCM. The modern TCM is different from those Shanghanon. So this is the mystery of TCM formulas. I hope you like this lecture. See you later.